What an incredible autumn! You know those days when you wake up in a bad mood? This is why I love vlogging so much. If you're talking to a camera, you can't be in a bad mood. So this is why I love vlogging. I turn on the camera, I'm in a good mood already. Love to see you here. We have a problem. Let me explain. To celebrate 100 plus subscribers, I will give away this drone that It's when you're in rehearsal and you find out that you just crossed the 300 subscribers line. Thanks so much. Of course, I didn't forget about the giveaway. I will do this right now. Hey son to Denmark, Stefan, send me your address, you just won a drone. I hope you enjoy it. See you soon. Yeah, about that. I was trying to shoot some B-roll with it to show you guys what an awesome device this is, and then it landed and started flickering the lights and turned itself into a dead brick. It doesn't respond to anything. Stefan, if you still want it and you think you can make this work, go ahead, send me your address. This is yours, but now it's broken, I suppose. Well, first and foremost, all that is pretty much fake. I'm sorry. There's a pretty huge number of things that can go wrong in rehearsal. One of them is if you're trying to run a projector on stage from a battery, that battery is going to die, for sure. The second thing, if you then run the projector with a cable, make sure the cable is long enough when they strike the set part that... Yeah, well, this is what actually happened in that rehearsal. That was awkward.
Wow.
Starting work in Saarbrücken at the State Theatre. The stage, which I have to blur out hugely behind me because we don't want to spoil the surprise, is being set up right now, and we're gonna light it today and tomorrow. So we're gonna do some heavy mapping on it. I still don't know how to do mapping. And we're back to running photogrammetry on a far too small laptop. that render is going to take some time, so you might as well just subscribe. Well, yeah, click the like button. It's going to take some time. Oh, a lot more actually. Perhaps share this video on your social media and come to the premiere in Saarbrücken or see the show in Hanover, which is a great show, but almost sold out. I'm sorry. Let's keep rendering. Did I tell you how in a theater you're never alone? There's always somebody making music. And you're in Saarbrücken and you run into people that you actually know from Stuttgart. Demis Volpi is here. Good morning.
Am Telefon. Guten Morgen. Hi, warte mal kurz.
Hi. This is Demis Volpi, and he's been choreographing a part of an evening that we participated both in Stuttgart. So now he is in Saarbrücken. It's finally here. It finally arrived. I mean, it finally arrived, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be pretty underwhelming if I unpack it. But this is an unboxing of something that followed me through Germany. It was first sent to Hanover, where it didn't reach me because it was sent back because they forgot to put a number on the package. That, anyways. And now it's here in Saarbrücken, at the wonderful city at the Saar, next to France, where the food is great, and finally, hopefully, I'm gonna find my package. Let's see if it's there. No, this is not it. I'm not expecting children. I have no idea why I'm so excited about telling you guys that I'm betraying you, all you Apple users. This is my start into a new era. I'm not entirely sure if it's a good idea, but my purse says it's a good idea, so I'm following my purse. Sorry for all that noise, I live next to the motorway, but this is our first outdoor unboxing. Yeah, let's see. So far it looks pretty Apple-like. Oh no, it's not. It didn't. Oh yes, I did. Yes, I did. This is a gaming laptop. Welcome to the world of Windows. Let's get inside and check out the details. So what's in the box? In the box is this unit, which is a 15-inch gaming laptop with a keyboard with an additional number pad, a clicky touchpad down here, a screen that we will see if it fits, a massive power brick that will support the 1060 that's in here, and additionally, look at that! Remember the days when you could take out the battery from your laptop? Yes, that's right. You turn it around, you take the battery out, you put a new battery in, you're done. Apple, you used to do this. That was a great time. Now, opening the back is about, I think, 4 screws or something? 3 screws. 3 screws, and you can access 2 NVMe slots. The RAM to put more RAM in if you feel like it, if 32 isn't enough for you. And you have another extra 2.5 slot for an SSD, like one of those 4 terabyte ones that don't cost you an additional 6,000 euros but an additional 400 euros. I'm afraid this is, I'm not completely shifting, but this is going to be the render machine. Because look at these ventilation systems here, I mean, come on. That thing is built to do nasty stuff. Let's see how it works. I forgot about one thing that bothered me a lot with the Mac notebooks. You know, the port situation. Does that ring a bell? Does this I mean, Ethernet, an SD card slot? I really wanted to document the process of booting it up for the first time, but it just booted so quickly. It has the latest i7 8700, exactly 8700. That's a desktop CPU in there. So and it boots in seconds. And do you hear anything? No noise. No fans going. This is an amazing device.
Get wild.